Alright, so really quickly I'm going to show you how to convert a image file over to either a JPEG or a PNG. So as you can see here, I'm on the website freefileconvert.com. You will want to go there. This is after you have already saved your image to your computer. So I'm going to go here to choose file, and I'm going to select the file that I want to convert and hit open. Now, when you go to convert files to, you can either select JPEG or JPG, or you can go down and select a PNG file, which is the PNG. Okay. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to go with JPEG, and then I'm going to hit convert. Once I hit convert, you'll see that little bar. It'll do its thing. Okay, and then now you see down here it's showing the results. Now, once I am done, what I will do is just simply hit download, and it will download it for me. And then you will see when I go back to my files and I look at my downloads, there is my new JPEG file right there. So that is what you would then insert into your video presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.